Scarecrow on the wooden cross, a blackbird in the bomb. 400 acres that used to be my farm. Grew up like my daddy did when Grandpa cleared this land. When I was 5, I'd walk the fence while Grandpa held my hand. Rain on the Scarecrow, blood on the plow. This land of the nation, this land made me proud. Son, I'm too sorry to lend me for you now. Rain on the Scarecrow, blood on the plow. Rain on the Scarecrow, blood on the plow. Crops grew last summer, weren't enough to pay the loan. Couldn't buy the seeds this spring, so farmers made foreclose. Called my old friend Shipper to auction off the land. He said, John, it's just my job, and I hope you understand. Call it your job, old ship, it sure don't make it right. If you do, I'll say a prayer for you some rhyme. Grandma on the front porch with Bible in her hand. Sometimes I hear her singing, take me to the promised land. You can take a man's dignity if you can't work fields and plow. Rain on the Scarecrow, blood on the plow. Blood on the plow. Seven crosses covered in the courthouse yard. 97 families lost 97 farms. I think about my neighbors, my grandpa and my name. Sometimes I feel like a scarecrow just crying